Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. This video is the first in a series taking a deep dive into the 3x3, an advanced course as it were in the beginner's method. I'll be showing you additional algorithms that can help you solve on the Rubik's Cube and other 3x3 related puzzles, such as shape mods, bandage cubes, constrained cubes, and crazy circle cubes. In addition, I will show you what they do. Now the 3x3 may be the only puzzle you choose to solve. You may also in time choose to learn to solve other puzzles. These videos should prove helpful in both cases. This video will focus on the corners. All the algorithms can be used on both the first and last layer corners. On the first layer, you can use any or all of them while solving it, that's fine. However, when using them on the last layer, you can only use one algorithm. Once you pick that algorithm, you need to stick with it for all the corners or you'll mess up with the puzzle. I'm going to start with the white, red, and blue corner. Turn the puzzle over so the yellow face is on top. Bring the corner over so it is above its destination. This algorithm will rotate the corner clockwise every 2 times you use it. As with any corner rotation algorithm, you'll need to continue to perform it until the corner is rotated into place. R, U, R prime, U prime. 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 And now that corner is in place. Next, I'm going to place the white, orange, and green corner. We're going to be keeping the yellow face on top. The corner is already above where it needs to go. Place it on the left. This algorithm will rotate the corner counterclockwise every 2 times you use it. L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, U. And that corner is now in place. Now I'm going to place the white, blue, and orange corner. Turn the puzzle over so the white face is on top. Bring the corner over so it is below its destination. This algorithm will rotate the corner counterclockwise every 2 times you use it. R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, and D. And that corner is solved. Finally, I'm going to place the white, red, and green corner. Keeping the white face on top, the piece is already in its position below its destination. This algorithm will rotate the corner clockwise every time you use it. I'm going to place it on the left. L, D, L prime, D prime. In this case, that corner was already rotated correctly, just needed to be placed in with the algorithm. And there you have it, a deep dive into the corners. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.